My name is Tibanka Muyi Erdis Former, and I am a health communication student at BYU Haida. I'm going to talk about research in endemic area. Reliable and comprehensive information on the burden of malaria is critical for guiding national and international effort in malaria control. The purpose of my research is to provide an overview of public data and available information on malaria resulting from field studies and investigation conducted in the Republic of Congo from 1992 to 2015 as baseline for assisting public health authorities and researchers to define future research priorities as well as interventions. Some systematic review revealed that a number of studies have been conducted in the Republic of Congo with regard to malaria. However, their results cannot formally be generalized at the country level. This suggests a need for implementing regular multi-site investigations and surveys that may be representative of the country, calling for the support and lead of the Ministry of Health.